Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon crispy. Begin by placing your bacon in a cold pan, ensuring each strip lies flat without overlapping. This crucial first step allows the fat to render slowly and evenly, preventing the bacon from burning before it gets truly crisp. A cold start is the secret to perfectly cooked, shatteringly crisp bacon every single time. Get ready for deliciousness. Now, turn your stove to a medium-low heat. This gentle heat is key to rendering the fat slowly and thoroughly, which is essential for achieving that perfect crisp texture. Resist the urge to crank up the heat. Flip your bacon strips every minute or two, ensuring they cook evenly on both sides. Patience here truly pays off with superior results. Once your bacon reaches a beautiful golden brown and is visibly crisp, carefully remove it from the pan. Transfer the strips to a plate lined with several layers of paper towels. This step is vital for absorbing any excess grease, which helps maintain that delightful crunch. Let it rest for just 1 to 2 minutes. It will continue to crisp up as it cools. And there you have it, perfectly crispy bacon, ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to savor its incredible texture and flavor. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. When reheating, a quick warm-up in a pan or oven will bring back much of its original crispness. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.